13. 1 in the tens place, 9 in the ones place. Here in 13, 1 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place. Before adding this, let's add the pictorial representation. So here, in 19, 1 tens and 9 ones. So here we represented this as 110. 110 and 9 ones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ones we have here. So 9 ones. 10 ones make 110. 10 ones make 110. So here 9 ones and 110. And in 13, 110 and 3 ones. We represent it as 3 ones and 110. This type of ones, if we have 10 ones, it will make 110. If 10 ones are there, it will make 110. Here, 10 ones make 110 and 9 ones. That makes 19. 10 ones is 110. Here 110 is there and 9 ones are there. So it is 19. And here 110 and 3 ones. As we all know, we have already learned in the place value. So here 110 and 3 ones. Now let's start adding from the ones place. Always add from the ones place. So start counting from the ones place. How many ones are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ones are there. Let's draw 12 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 12 ones. But 12 is a 2-digit number. If we add 9 plus 3, what to do for 9 plus 3? 9 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. Can we write 12 here? Can we write 12 here? No, we cannot write 12 over here. We cannot write 12 here. It's a 2-digit number. Only 1 digit we can write here. So in this, we add 12 ones. So we make count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make this 10 ones as one set. And that 10 ones will move here as carry over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 ones will carry over as 110 here. The remaining ones, how many ones are there? 2 ones we should write here. The remaining 2 ones will be here and these 10 ones will pop up here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 ones, we make it a single 110 and it will jump to the tens place. And here remaining 2 ones will be there. So we can write here 2 ones. 2 ones and the tens jump to the tens place. So here 110 is there, that 10 carried over here and we have already 2 tens here. 1 and 2. Here for 19 110 is there, for 13 also 110 is there. So total how many tens are there now? 1, 2 and 3. This 10, this 10 and this 10. 1, 2 and 3. So here 3 tens here. 1, 2 and 3 tens here. Here 9 ones were there and here 3 ones. So total 12 ones. 12 ones. From the 12 ones, 10 ones will jump to the tens place. 10 ones makes 110. 10 ones makes 110. That 10 ones will jump to the tens place and remaining 2 ones will be standing over here. And that 1, 10 and here 110 is there. Here also 110 is there. That we have to add together. So 110, 110, 110. Total 1, 2, 3, 3 tens. 3 tens and 2 ones. 3 tens and 2 ones. Now let's add with numbers. 19 plus 13. From the ones place we should start. So 9 plus 3 should be added first. Which number in your mind? In this, 9 is the biggest number. So keep 9 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. 9, after 9, 10, 11 and 12. We have 12. Can we write 12 here? No, we cannot write. We cannot write 12 here. We cannot write 12 here. We can write 2 here and that 1 will carry over here. The 1 will carry over here. Now we should add this 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So what is this number? 32. 3 tens and 2 ones. What we got here? 3 tens and 2 ones. 32. Is it clear? Let's do one more example. We have 45 plus 26. 4 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. And this number 2 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. Always start adding from the ones place. So 5 plus 6. 6 in your mind because 6 is the biggest number. 6 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we have 11 here. Can we write 11 here? No. It's a 2-digit number. So the number in the ones place we should write here. In 11, ones and tens both are 1. So 1 here and the number in the tens place, that is one more 1 here in the tens place. It should carry. Now we should add 1 plus 4 plus 2. 1 plus 4, 5. Or 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2. 5 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7. That's, what is this number? 71. 7 tens and 1 ones. 7 tens and 1 ones. Is it clear? Let's do one more example. We have 55 plus 39. 55 plus 39. 5 in the tens place. Again 5 in the ones place. And 3 in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. Always start adding from the ones place. So 5 plus 9. Keep 9 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. Can we write 14 here? No. So, the number in the ones place, that is 4. In 14, the number in the ones place is 4. That 4 we should write here, and the number in the tens place, that is 1. That 1 will carry here. Now, add 1 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3. 6 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number is 9 tens and 4 ones. That is 94. Is that clear? Very easy to do, isn't it? Thank you.